world is full of exciting ideas. Imagine every idea could be realized as an individual product in the future. We at Siemens advance industrial automation beyond imagination to make this happen. Before production can start, the order is analyzed to derive the materials and the processes needed to do the job. We also choose the most appropriate factory for the order in terms of available capabilities, supply chain aspects, and the best climate footprint. We envision that companies strive to produce only what is really requested, to be more economical, and to save valuable resources. After analyzing the priority of the unloading process, intelligent algorithms allocate suitable resources based on their offered skill set and availability. Huge amounts of data need to be analyzed in the production process, like the video stream of a drone that identifies the position of the supplied materials and checks the delivery for completeness and damage, all at the same time. However, not all tasks can be solved fully automatically. Human expertise and intuition are still crucial to make critical decisions in the autonomous factory. Intelligent systems are connected, exchange information, and collaborate to complete tasks quickly and efficiently. Tasks such as triggering material transportation. With the scanned information, the autonomous units know what to do and ensure a smooth unloading process, all without complex engineering of each process step. Each autonomous unit offers a set of skills. For the execution of a skill, workflows are generated on the fly by considering the environment and the given process goal. A variety of AI technologies are used to solve complex tasks, such as the unloading of a pallet in an automated way. All automated processes are continually monitored by certified advanced safety concepts for human-machine interaction. In rapidly changing environments, self-adapting safety functions are crucial to produce efficiently and, more importantly, safely. As customized products require individual manufacturing solutions, additive manufacturing allows for completely new shapes and forms hardly possible in conventional production. In our self-organizing production, autonomous units exchange information about their environment to collaborate in the real world. If a production step cannot be performed by a single production unit, the intelligent production system divides the process into subtasks. Then it assigns production modules to them, even considering tool changes and transportation times. For even higher efficiency, a combination of flexible grasping and visual detection facilitates the handling of previously unknown parts. However, even a robust AI application can have its difficulties when minor differences are barely visible due to an unfavorable perspective. Whenever an AI system reaches its limits, it must be able to ask for human assistance. Based on human feedback, the system learns and improves continuously. The autonomous factory is more than just a vision. We at Siemens already support and experiment together with our customers to transform their production so that individual ideas can be brought to life. And RoboStar, can win a small heart by storm.